Hello everyone, Einat Kessler here with another video, and today I want to show you how to draw without knowing how to draw. Some people say I can't draw anything and I don't know how to draw, and I just want to show you how easy it is with a system called doodling. So doodling is basically a collection of lines that come together into a shape. So you have straight lines like this. You have curved lines that can be an arch or a wave, all types of waves. And then you have, let's say, little hills or peaks. You have circles or other shapes like ovals. And they're all very, very basic shapes, swirls. And these basic shapes, when you join them together into one large shape, then you can form all kinds of great drawings. So as you can see, you can do hearts, you can do droplets, leaf shapes or eye shapes. So all these shapes can become drawings, and before you know it, you are drawing. So today we are going to make border designs that can go on any scrapbook page, card, art journal, junk journal, calendar, party invites, anything that you want. So you basically take those doodling shapes, those basic shapes that I've shown you, and then you arrange them in a border. So I'm going to put a little bit of music and you can see all the 50 border designs that I have made for you. Basically, you can just keep on going with your own ideas. I really hope you like these ideas and then you can apply them to whatever project you're working on. Thank you very much for joining me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. And I will see you next time.